The solution the solution that we're here to talk about today is the CloudBolt cost management solution, and we work endlessly, tirelessly to focus on bringing visibility to all teams and consumers of their that public cloud consumption. What we really push for is to really bring visibility to all that are involved to help with this challenge of managing these public cloud costs. One of the key aspects of this, the larger the organization becomes, the more and more that it needs to become a shared responsibility. So we're very focused on providing the right levels of data to the right parts of the organization, whether that's an application owner, someone who works, someone in an engineering role, someone in a financial part of the organization, or someone that's responsible for this at scale. And it's very important for them to have that information available to them. Whether that's the ability to create budgets for a business unit and underneath that for what do you call it, for the applications that sit in that business unit, whether that's the ability to allocate 100% of a $30 million annual cloud spend, or to be able to understand where that cloud waste is, and be able to optimize those and understand where to prioritize all of these actions. Understanding what benefit I can get from taking each of these actions. Do we have an idle server problem or an idle platform problem, and what's the benefit I can take by doing these individually? Which one should I do first? Which one should each business unit do first? Which one should each team do first? And that's the sorts of things that we that we help you with. The key to a lot of this, and we'll talk through it as we especially move to the next slide, is driving automation. FinOps teams in large organizations, are generally a little light on resources. So being able to help them scale and take a lot of tasks that they would do, and provide insights to the consumers of cloud, and take a lot of that heavy lifting that they go through and automate that at scale. And an example of this I'll walk through as a demo later, where we would notify all application owners of an idle service and allow them to approve turning that service off, or something similar to those. Also being able to do things like automatically terminate or turn off things outside of hours, or being able to manage reservations at scale. We do this across the three major cloud providers. So the first being AWS, the second being Azure, and the third being GCP. And we also provide similar capabilities into your private workloads through VMware.